Lani Misalucha, Sasha Padilla, Garrett, and Francisco Asaniero. Accepting the award for Mr. Jet Mandela. Congratulations to the truly deserving recipients of the Aliu Lifetime Achievement Award. We celebrate your lasting legacy.
Now for the winner of the Best New Male Artist, Ruel Carino.
So, receiving this award is a very, very big gift for me because, as you might know, I only started my journey here in showbiz in late April. And this means a lot. This early into my career, imagine getting an award already. So, I would just like to sincerely thank the Alil Awards Foundation and all of the people here, whether you be a nominee or not. Congratulations to all of you. I love you very much.
And the winner for the Best New Female Artist is Simone Valderrama Martinez.
really grateful. I would also love to thank my parents who have guided me throughout this journey ever since I was a kid, and my abuelo and my abuelita who is here also tonight for supporting me, and the rest of my friends and my family who have always been there for me, and my best friend and my sister who are also here, and my Nina Beautiful who is always there for me. Thank you.
Nakalimutan ko. Kami rin magpapasalit. Tingnan ko na itong light ko. Oh my God,
The
pinag-uwi.
winner of Best New Group Artist is Vivek or Vic. VVE. Rapper VVE. Winner of Best New Group Artist is Wing.
Wow, yeah, thank you so much, Alio Awards. Hello everyone, I'm Angelica. Ako po ang leader ng Wing. And I'm standing here on behalf of my big sisters. Kami po ang Wing. I'm with Audrey, Jean, Mariel, and Diana. Grabe, thank you so much, Alio Awards. Super, super unexpected and happy po. And sobrang malaking thing po sa amin ito na nagkaka-umpisa pa lang po namin sa aming journey. First of all, I would like to thank God sa gift na to dahil isa ito sa aming tatlong hiling na nagpapag. And thank you so much to the music, sa mga naniwala sa amin, sa mga sumuporta sa amin. To our Winkies, thank you so much, Winkies. Thank you so much to our family, friends, and of course, sa aming composers, producers, naniniwala sa amin. I'm sharing this award sa lahat ng nominees na palaganap at ipagpatuloy natin ang paglikha sa original Pinoy music. Thank you once again, Alio Awards. Mabuhay hindi pa mabuhay.
For the best male host, we have 5. And the award goes to Raymond Graspe and Tina. Okay, team. I'm pretty excited. So first of all, I'd like to thank God for all the blessings. And this is the third time I got nominated. The first time was with because of Elizabeth Fusio, who was nominated. Thank you for nominating me for the first time. I'd like to thank also all the friends who hired me to be their host. And thank you to my wife, Mimi, Alfonso, Lassie, Arian, and all my parents, Anjanette, Rolode, James, Jennifer, Richard, and everyone. Thank you so much, and maraming salamat po. Back to back. Thank you, thank you.
Table 42. Anyway, guys, thank you so much to the awards for honoring the craft of hosting. You know, oftentimes it seems like it's effortless, but hosting is really anchored on preparedness, on instinct, and a deep love and respect for the audience. I've been really blessed to be on many stages, from television to live theater events, fashion, and at each stage I remind myself every single time that the host is not the star, but the moment is. So it is our job to protect it, to elevate it, and really to make everyone feel seen. So thank you to the producers, directors, and everyone who trusted me. Thank you to the actors, to the performers, to the artists. This is the reason why I love what I do. So thank you so much again. Thank you. And I stand here humbled, grateful, and excited for what's next. Thank you.
The winner for the best female host is Nicole Ramos.
First and foremost, I want to give all glory to the Lord. This is such an amazing blessing. And of course, thank you so much to the Awards Foundation. Thank you for this wonderful award. I'm so grateful. And of course, thank you to everyone who's part of the Awards who put this all together for so many talented people. Mabuhay kayo. And of course, thank you to Miss Alice Reyes, to Bernie, and everyone in the awards. Thank you. And to all of you, congratulations. Thank you so much. Thank you.
And the winner for Best Instrumentalist is Marianne Espina, violin. Or is that corrected? It's piano.
Ang parangal ito ay hindi naman para sa akin. Ipinagkakaloon ko ito sa lahat ng aking mga kasama sa musika. Mga kapwa musikero na araw-araw ay nagbibigay ng kanilang puso, oras at talento upang mabuo ang bawat tugtugin. Kayo ang tunay na nagbibigay buhay sa bawat nota at himig ng ating pinagsasama-sama. Maraming salamat sa patuloy na inspirasyon, sa walang sawang suporta at sa pagkakaibigang hinugo ng musika para sa ating lahat ang tagumpay na ito. Maraming salamat po at mabuhay ng musika ng Pilipinas.
The winner for the best stand-up, as the best stand-up comedian is Super Tekla!
the award for Super Techno. Thank you, Lonnie, and thank you, Kevin. Congratulations once again to our amazing winner.